Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you Workfront Project Management Tutorial for Beginners. Before that, you must understand Workfront's core concepts. First is projects. It is central to Workfront. Project encompasses all tasks, timelines, and resources related to a specific initiative. Next is the task. It is individual units of work within a project, each with assigned responsibilities and deadlines. Next is the issues. This is the unplanned work or challenges that arise during a project, requiring attention and resolution. Lastly is the request. Is a formal submissions for a new work, often originating from clients or stakeholders. Now, creating your first project. Navigate to the projects area and select new project. Assign a name, description, and set the project status to current to activate it. Break down the project into manageable tasks. Assign durations and set dependencies to establish task sequence. Anticipate potential challenges by creating issues that may arise during the project lifecycle. Next is managing and monitoring progress. Visualize project timelines, task dependencies, and overall progress using Gantt charts. Regularly update task statuses to reflect progress, ensuring transparency and accountability. Use the updates feature to share progress, ask questions, and document decisions within the project. Lastly is for the advanced features. For recurring projects, create templates to standardize processes and save time. Generate custom reports and dashboards to gain insight into project performance and resource allocation. Lastly, enhance functionality by integrating Workfront with other tools like Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft Office 365, and many more. And that's basically it.